Alright, my beautiful people, so this is Jangul again. I'm Miss Jangul. So we're at Home Depot now. So we're trying to buy up some stuff to ship down to Jamaica. So that's the faucet right here for the kitchen. And I'm going to order the faucet online. I saw it online cheaper and it looked better. It's online for the sink, the one, this kitchen sink one is online and it's cheaper. So this is the one. If you could see, that's the one. Yeah, so that's the one I was gonna order right here, but then when I came to Home Depot, I didn't like it, so I decided I'm going to get this one. This one is better, and it got this soap dispenser on it. And then this one, I'm gonna get this one here, and it's reasonable. So now, so we're gonna ship down all these. That's Miss Jungle right there. So now we're gonna get the garage door. This is the one we're gonna get. This is 9x7, and there's no window. That's all of those things in there. All the it has a key, and it has all the stuff to go with it. On the opener. Oh, it not come with the opener. This is the opener, but I don't think it come with the opener. You have to buy that separate. So we're gonna get the guy now. So they get one. They get some in yesterday. 408. So this is what? Oh, that's 8x7. So they have 8x7. They have this is 8x7. 9x7, and that's the price of this one right here. But I'm not getting this one. I'm getting this one. That's for 458. So 458 and 458. That's what is that? $900. $900, and it's $500 to ship it down. So it's gonna be $1,400. And then what they're gonna charge at the wharf, I don't know. But these are the garage door lifter. And I'm gonna wait until summertime. I mean spring. Not spring, but Black Friday before I buy one, because these are kind of expensive right now. That's $289, $499. They're pretty expensive right now. So on Black Friday I'm gonna have sale. So what I'm gonna do on Black Friday, I'm gonna buy 2 of these. But I don't need them now. I just gonna get the garage door. Alright. Are you busy?
No, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna get the garage door now.
I
want to for this on the right one because
Which garage door?
I think this on
You
the
have to
right.
get a flat cart.
You're right.
Oh, we don't need. Oh, we have to get a flat. Oh.
Yeah, you got to get a flat cart that we can lay it on top of.
Oh, okay.
And I'll help you,
See.
I'll help you get it out of it.
No problem. So the kitchen. What do you mean?
No, we have to get one flat one.
No, but you said.
This okay. I wasn't talking about this one.
Oh.
I was talking about that, so we have to get a flat card.
Yes.
Oh.
This one.
Okay.
So this not gonna hold it.
And you choose this one.
No, but we're never sure.
Oh.
Alright.
If you bring a flat cart back, I'll be more than happy to
Okay,
help
no
put
problem.
this thing on.
We'll be right back.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. So we grabbed the wrong. So That's the one I said we need a flat one. That's why we're going to go back and grab a flat one. Yeah. So yeah, my beautiful people, it's Jungle again. Like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell to get more videos. I know time coming up when I go to Jamaica, you know, we're going to do a lot more house videos. So we're just getting ready now to buy the barrel, buy whatever we need to ship stuff down. Because we're gonna get about three barrels. Because I'm gonna ship some tools down and some food stuff. So we're gonna my blue baby. This is the one. This is the one we're gonna get right here. That's the one we're gonna get. And this jumper we're gonna push it. Like yeah, we're going to go back here and get this stuff, get the garage door. So we're gonna get 2 garage door because it's 2-car garage. So and that's what we're gonna do. Yep. So it's nice and cool up here today. It's, I'm not sure the temperature today, I didn't check it, but I'm pretty sure it's in about in the 70s. 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So, alright, so we got the right buggy now. Alright, whenever you're ready. Alright, so this is the one we're gonna get, 9x7. That's my beautiful people. So I got an estimate a few months ago, and they told me, the person I talked to, they say gonna be like 900,000. I'm like, 900,000 for what? I'm not building a house, I'm putting up a garage, 2 garage door, you know. So, and I can't trust people because you will get Rahman scam. I got too much already building that house, and I've learned my lesson. I don't trust anybody. I rather do my stuff myself, buy it, ship it down, get somebody install it. Alright, I'm maybe gonna do something. I don't know. Mom, I'm gonna do something. Okay, my beautiful people. So we're getting the garage door.
This on your head.
I thought it was lighter than that. I don't think it's too bad.
Move this. Pick it up. There we go. There we go. All right, there you go.
How much in there? 2?
No.
Not one.
Oh yeah, we need 2.
You need 2.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Okay, if you want to back that up a little bit. All right, here we go.
Sorry, see. Yeah, 2 of them. One different. Oh, let me see. I'll probably pull something shit one.
Mm-hmm.
Push
Okay.
again.
Okay.
There you go.
I may need some help to put in my truck.
Yeah, they'll do that up front.
Oh, okay.
They'll get you some help up front.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Mr. Jungle.
Yeah. So we
Door.
so you know I know Jamaica is gonna be super expensive, so buy it up here, put it on, send it down there. I think it'll be very much cheaper. Guys, we can't get no stores down up to find out where them sell it. Maybe we'll have to go town to find it. Maybe we'll have to go to Kingston and look there. And my one in the tell me when get in there. I want to tell you.
I got, you know, with some
Yeah, then I'll
people.
tell me I'll see me to check around. But the stores are cheaper than Jamaica. Yeah, cheaper and pretty cheaper than Alright, I'm coming through. That's the best. Alright, thank you.
Wait.
Alright, my beautiful people, so we're gonna pay now. I see when we're gonna load it up. Alright, my beautiful people, I'm gonna get the girl out the door. Pop up in the garage. Alright, my beautiful people, so these are the door now, so we're gonna try get them off and put them right here in the space right here. So and that's my big generator right here. That's 9,500 watt running watt, 12,500 peak watt, and it's a General Electric, a GE. That's the front right there. That's the GE right there. That's the big boy. No, not GE, Westinghouse. I mean, it's a Westinghouse. So I'm gonna take these off the truck right now and set them in this space right here. And to like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and you will see when I'm gonna ship them to Jamaica. And I will let you guys know how much it's gonna cost. It's costing $250 a piece to ship these. Yeah, $250 a piece, and that's two of them. So $500 to ship, and then I will let you guys know how much a custom fee gonna cost when I get to the warp. So stay tuned for that, and see you.